What's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the 4-way restrictor plate insert that came stock in the Street Fighter 2 control panel, Arcade1up control panel. I'm going to show you how to replace it with a 3D printed 8-way restrictor plate, this guy right here. The link for the 3D printed piece is in the description. I went through about like 7 or 8 iterations before I decided this one felt the best. So hopefully you guys find it useful. Anyways, this is how you do it. So you gotta pop this guy off. He just comes off like that. Okay. And then, so yeah. Now you gotta push the center piece in, the insert, push it towards you, and then rotate it counterclockwise, and then it will pop out from the back, just like that. And then you just take the 3D printed one and then stick it in there and then push it up towards you and then rotate it once. So you got to make sure to keep in mind that the diagonals I made slightly wider, so make sure you align the locking pegs horizontally. So we'll stick that in there, push down, and we are good to go. Now we have 8-way, and it feels much better, much better. Yeah, this should hold me over until I decide to drop more money on this dang thing. Alright, so I'm using an Android phone to edit this video, and I'm so used to my iPhone, so I haven't quite figured out where the fade ins and fade outs are on this app, so excuse the awkward cuts. Anyways, this is some footage of me using the 8-way insert. The fireballs and the uppercuts just feel so much better. As you can see, I am kicking Guile's butt. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, and thanks for watching.